10 years ago, there are those who thought that you are mere irritation. You have continued to irritate as you must. I cannot forget that this is the very same land that has produced one of the hottest irons in Africa today, Julius Malema. I hear our enemies saying that we are saying too much. We will continue to say we have not talked enough. Here in South Africa, there are many doubting Thomases. Oh, but they are reducing by the number. You know, this South Africa, which has given birth to the EFF, is the anchor of the continent of Africa. This South Africa is the southernmost tip of the continent of Africa. This South Africa is the fulcrum of Africa. This South Africa will be the place that will give good hope to the continent of Africa. This South Africa of EFF is the one that is going to economically regenerate Africa. There is a single sin that we must never commit: the sin of despair, the sin of giving up. EFF is the representation of our refusal to give up. We cannot allow ourselves to be under the tutelage of the International Monetary Fund. We cannot, and we must not. We must not allow ourselves to be slaves of the World Bank. We must not. We must not allow ourselves to be told who our friends are and who our enemies are and what we should and should not do. We cannot be the tail that is wagged by the dog all the time. The time has come that we must do the things that are in our best interest. And that will only happen when we are economically emancipated. EFF, you are now telling us how to pay the piper. We cannot be a continent where our economies are dominated by the smallest proportion of the population. We cannot be, and we must not be. And economic freedom fighters are urging you that we must now be in the business of spreading this message to the rest of the continent. Oh, they thought that they had fed us on chicken feed. We are eagles, and we shall fly, and we shall soar, and we shall be economically liberated. And when we are economically liberated, we shall be equal with everybody in the world, if not better. And we must be. And you who are in the economic freedom fighters movement now, I am telling you, those of you who are from different parts of South Africa, go out there. Because if indeed there is a spirit, is the spirit of economic liberation. Let that spirit now descend. Let us be possessed with that spirit. Let us go out into the world and tell all the doubting Thomases that it shall never be the same again. That it shall never be the same again. Because from here and now, we are taking a solemn vow that from this generation and generations yet to be born, we shall liberate Africa by ensuring that the chains of economic colonization are removed.